Looking for powerful UV illumination without the hefty price tag? Check out the refurbished Vilber VL-115L EFG120-1 from Galileo Scientific. This high-intensity UV lamp operates at a 365 nanometer wavelength, making it ideal for molecular biology, fluorochemistry, and even food contamination analysis. It comes with a durable 15-watt tube and a rugged aluminum housing built to last. The built-in optimized reflector ensures you get the most out of every pulse of UV radiation. Whether you're identifying bacteria, analyzing pesticides, or running TLC plates, this compact unit gives you sharp, reliable results with excellent precision. The 295 by 66mm filter offers a generous viewing area, and the unlimited durability of the UV filter means you'll spend less time on maintenance and more time getting results. Every refurbished unit is fully reviewed, serviced, and reconditioned by our experts at Galileo Scientific, so you get top-tier performance at unmatched value. Serious science deserves serious tools. The Vilber VL-115L, trusted performance, renewed smart.